What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on my egg muffin video, I had a comment from Charlene Love, and she's starting her keto journey, and she requested some more keto friendly dishes. So today we're making a keto mac and cheese. So to replace the pasta, we're going to be using cauliflower. I have 2 heads of cauliflower here. I removed the greens, and now I'm just going to halve these and then quarter them. And then just run my knife down, taking off some of the stem here. And all these extra pieces with the stem and the little florets, you can keep those, and I like to make them into a puree. So we want everything to be relatively the same size. This way they cook more even. You don't want the florets to be too small, and you don't want them to be too large. This is about a perfect size. Doesn't have to be perfectly even, just roughly the same size. We'll do this for the rest of the floret here. I'm going to add these to a bowl. I got my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Do the same thing to our other head of cauliflower here. So we got all our cauliflower in a bowl here. I'm going to add some avocado oil, about 3 tablespoons. Generously seasoned with kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper. Add in some granulated garlic. Some aleppo pepper. Give that a good toss. Make sure the cauliflower is completely coated. Got a sheet tray lined with foil. We'll just add our cauliflower there, even it out a bit. We want to roast this for about a half hour or until it's tender and we start to get some nice caramelization on the cauliflower florets. This looks perfect. So we'll bring back our bowl and we'll add the cauliflower to that, set it aside. So I got some cheeses here. Got cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, and some sharp cheddar. Into a pot, we're going to add our cream cheese with a cup of whole milk, half a cup of heavy cream, some more granulated garlic, a nice dash of hot sauce, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We want to put this over medium-low heat. Meantime, we'll grate our cheeses. Start with the cheddar. It's always better to grate the cheese yourself because the packaged cheese that you get in the stores is coated with something to help it from clumping, and it doesn't make it melt as nice. I'm going to reserve some of the chunks of cheese here, use it for our topping. We'll grate the mozzarella, same thing. I got 2 cups each here, 2 cups of sharp cheddar and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Also be careful when using a box grater because you don't want to grind up your knuckles, as I've done a few times. So we got our mozzarella cheese. Take the chunks here, set that aside. And now our cream cheese mixture here is melted. It's warm and we're going to add the cheese to that. This way it melts and creates a beautiful cheese sauce. Just grab a spatula and fold that all together until it's melted. We'll bring back our cauliflower and just pour that cheese mixture right over the cauliflower. Make sure all the cauliflower is completely coated in our cheese sauce. And you won't be missing the pasta in this mac and cheese, I guarantee that. So I got a tray here, and we're going to generously butter this. We'll add in our cheese coated cauliflower. Just evenly spread that out. And then we'll bring back our chunks of mozzarella cheese and sharp cheddar and just scatter that over the top. And now I got some parmigiano reggiano and we want to grate this right over the top. And just keep grating this over the top because this is going to make a nice crust. It's going to caramelize. You literally can't grate enough Parmigiano Reggiano over the top of this cauliflower mac and cheese. I'm going to pop this in the broiler for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, our cheese has bruleed on the top, parmigiano reggiano is all caramelized right on top of that cauliflower. Everything is perfectly homogeneous. Grab a spoon here and get some out. And that is just perfect. That is really beautiful. It's cheesy, creamy, just perfect cauliflower mac and cheese. You don't have to be on a keto diet to enjoy this dish. Grab a little more of that caramelized sharp cheddar cheese on top. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for keto mac and cheese. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.